Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn all about this issue. So first, if this issue didn't appear in here, just go to setting, and after setting you will find that issue is unchecked. Here you will find this button is unchecked. So if this is your case, just check it and go back to the repository. Now go and click on issue. Here let's create, for example, a new issue. So but first, what they are the issue? For example, the issue is, for example, if we have some problem. Issue is basically our problem. So if we have our problem in code or some problem in code, we need to make them as issues, so that for example, another developer or another GitHub user see that we have this same issues, and basically, or let's say that he is more experienced than us, so he can help us to solve those problem and those issues. So first, let's click on new issue. But before create a user, let's know the label. So here we see that we have 9 label. So if we click on label, we see that those are the label: bug, documentation, duplicate, good, first, issue, help wanted. So those are the label, or like tags. We can put them in our code or in our issue. So to tell the world, or to tell the other viewer that for example, we have bugs, so something isn't working, so we need to put label bugs. And if we want to create our label, so we click here in label. Let's give it a name, for example, update. Here description need an update, and here we choose color. So this color, it's already exists, and here we can see the color how it will become. I think this one is new, and after that we click on create label to create it. So here it is update, and to store button if we want to edit it or delete it. So let's just delete that. Okay, and it will be deleted. Now if we, for example, if we already had an issue and we associated with this label that we just delete, it will be also deleted from this issue. And here next to label we have this milestone. So let's view them also. For the moment we have 0 open and 0 closed. Let's create a milestone. Click on here or the same. So new milestone, we will give it a title, for example version 1, and here it's we need to select a date. So basically this milestone and this date it tell us that, for example, in this date I want to deal with this milestone or to deal with this version 1. And here's some description. So let's just click release version 1, create milestone, and it will be created. And here we see for the moment 0% complete, and here so till this date. So in this date we need to be releasing or doing this version 1 that we just create as a milestone. Here of course we have like the edit button or close or delete. Close, that means that that's it, we finish this milestone or we finish the version 1 and we already release it, so we need to close this milestone. If, for example, we did put this date to a date that's already passed, here it will show us like a sign that this milestone or it's already in the past and we didn't complete it. So basically milestone It's like, for example, the alarm that we set just between ourselves. For example, I tell myself this date and this date I need to release the version 1 of the code, so I put it as a milestone, and here I can see the progression. Or and if I'm finish this objective or complete this task, I will just go here and click on close. And here we see the milestone. So for the moment we have just one and it's still open and not yet closed. So for example, if we have a big project, we need to separate it to like a small task by task, and create in every task a milestone. And by the time we finish a task, we just go and click on close, so that here can tell us the number of tasks we close or we did, and the number of the task that's still open, or still like I need to work on them. So it's just basically to help us more organize our time and our project. I think so. This is all for this video, and in the next video we will see how to create an issue.